the same that I buy my rabbit, but my rabbit is already dead. So I'm gonna take care a new hamster. So we're gonna put the hamster on the sand. Oh my God! He is swimming. He's taking a
What is she doing? What
He's
is he?
taking a bath. I have 2 boys and 1 girl. He's digging some. He don't need to take a bath in the water. He need to take a bath in the sand. So, it's so cute, baby. The next. So, the next one is Isabella. Isabella is my love. Isabella don't want you to catch her. Isabella is mad at me. Isabella don't want to get out in her cage. He even don't want me to carry. Here, take a look. Here, you're swimming. No, have to get out now. My second hamster. Oops, he don't want to get softly. Eat it.
Galing ni ate mag-catch.
And look, take a look at them. They're swimming. Oopsies. It's a black paper.
What are you doing?
They love the sand.
Flying kiss na lang, mami.
And this is my love. So cute.
Wow. Hamsters are taking a bath.
They don't need soap. All of them wants to swim.
Where is the sandbag? Show them.
And this is I use for the sand. It's for hamsters and it's apple, but this is the smell of the apple, but there's no smell. Look at Isabella. I named her Isabella. They are so very sweet. Bye guys. Thank you for watching my video and subscribe and like.
Flying kiss. Bye-bye na, Pia.
Bye guys.
Grabe, may flying kiss pa yan ah.